Good morning. Thank you for calling Velvet Hotel. This is Neil from the front office. How may I assist you today?
Hello, good morning. I'd like to ask if you have available rooms.
Before we proceed with the reservation process, may I have your name, please?
Janelle Sumalinog.
Thank you, Miss Sumalinog. Let me confirm the spelling of your name. Juliet, Alpha, November, India, Lima, Lima, Echo, Sierra, Uniform, Mike, Alpha, Lima, India, November, Oscar, Golf. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, Miss Sumalinog. May I know your preferred check-in date?
April 22.
And how many nights will you be staying with us?
7 nights.
Thank you. How many guests will be staying in the room?
1 adult only.
Thank you. Please allow me a moment to check availability. Thank you for waiting, Miss Sumalinog. I'm pleased to inform you that we do have a vacancies for your requested dates. May I ask what type of room you prefer?
Well, just a single room.
We have a standard single room available at 2,600 per night, inclusive of breakfast. We also offer a deluxe single room at 3,100 per night. It provides more space, upgraded amenities, and a city view. Would you like to stay in the standard single room or would you like upgrade to the deluxe single room?
I'll stay with the standard single room.
Very well, Miss Sumalinog. May I have your contact number, please?
0912-345-6789.
Thank you. How would you like to guarantee your reservation? Credit card or payment upon arrival?
I'll just pay upon arrival.
Noted, Miss Sumalinog. For your information, our check-in date is 2 p.m. Our checkout time is 12 p.m. Please be advised that your reservation will be held until 9 p.m. on the day of arrival. If you fail to arrive by this time without prior notice, the room will be released to a wait-listed guest and the reservation will be considered a no-show. Allow me to summarize your reservation details. Guest name, Janelle Sumalinog. Room type, standard single room. Check-in date, April 22 at 2 p.m. Checkout date, April 29 at 12 p.m. Number of nights, 7 nights. Number of guests, 1 adult. Rate, 2,600 per night including breakfast. Is all the information correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
Excellent! Your reservation has been successfully confirmed. Before we end the call, is there anything else I can assist you with?
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Velvet Hotel, Miss Sumalinog. We look forward to welcoming you. Have a wonderful day.